So you have to incorporate your recommendation in a proposal to the management, which will include the key elements of strategy, which is the time scale and metrics and the implementation plan schedule. Now, it's very important to take care, for example, if you take any source from the internet or a book, to give credit to original author. For example, let's say if you are defining what is SWOT analysis, this is the definition of SWOT analysis. You have to mention from where you took this reference. Maybe from the internet, you have to mention, you have to put it in the footnote, you have to enter the quotation mark. So this is very serious matter to give credit to original author. To avoid plagiarism, then you have all the sources taken from any other source, either book or any other paperwork or any other website. You have to mention it clearly from where you took it. However, this must not exceed about 30 or 35% from your assignment. So you cannot take all your assignments from a website or from you have to definition, for example, take it from a website, you refer it well, cite it perfectly, and put the quotation, and the footnote you have to mention the website or the book the sources has been taken from. Your own reflection, conclusion, must be your own work. You have to conclude, you have to reflect on your analysis. So the assignment is structured. You start, for example, setting the scene of the company. This is the company, industry, vision, mission, services, your role, and the department. And you have to talk about the current strategic direction of the company. This is current objective, these are current plans, and your role of the department on the strategy. And then you have to justify current strategic direction by conducting external and internal analysis, by using PASTEL framework, by using Porter's 5 forces, and in the internal analysis you can use 7S framework or resource audit. And then you have to conduct SWOT analysis, which is a conclusion of the internal and external analysis. Here you can justify, either you can agree with the current objectives and current plans, or you disagree, or you can agree, but you can find, for example, some gaps, and you have to make a counteracting strategy, how to identify changes which has helped the company to avoid these gaps. After that, you identify options for changes, identify, evaluate, and select the preferred options, and then you manage strategic change and implement the strategy, and you recommend the strategy to the management. And the assignment, you have to include also references and bibliographies, and if any appendixes there. Also, it's very important to say about what kind of research methodologies you have used, primary, secondary research, what type of methodology you have used, and the acknowledgement, etc., and the executive summary. Thus, the workshop was informative, and clarified your doubts.
Thanks, Gilbert. The workshop was really informative and very, very helpful. But we have a couple of questions regarding the assignment submissions and results.
Okay, ask away. I'm happy to clarify any issue you may have.
Is there any ready-made structure available for the assignment?
No, there isn't. However, the tutors will guide you through all the process to help you complete your assignment successfully.
Okay, Mr. Gilbert, we understand the subject of strategic management now, but how can we apply it practically?
You read the assignment questions and assessment objectives, and then set the terms of references, structure your assignment. The assignment must be based on your own company or a company you are familiar with, and then you can use your own experience in this company to fill the gaps.
What's the word limit for the assignments?
4,000 words, but this will not include executive summary, appendixes, and references. But you can add another 10% more, which will give you another 400 words to write.
Are there any penalties if I exceeded the word limit?
Yes, there will be penalties if you have exceeded the 4,400 word limit.
How can I count the number of words in an assignment?
You can record the word limit by using the word count tool.
Okay, so what grades can I get with this qualification?
Assignments are graded as distinction, merit, pass, and fail. There will be a statement of result will be printed after each assignment is marked.
If I fail my assignment, can I resubmit my assignments?
Yes, you can. If you fail in your assignment, you will receive a feedback stating the weaknesses in your assignment that has led to this fail.
So let's say I failed in my assignment. Can I resubmit my assignment and still get a merit or a distinction?
Yes, you can resubmit your assignment, but only if you have failed. And you can take a higher grades in the resubmissions.
How much advice can the tutor give during the assignment?
Yes, the tutor can oversee your work and guide you to complete your work.
Are there any sample assignments available?
No, there are no sample assignments available. The students will have access to assignment question and assessment objectives only.
What are the rules for quoting other people?
Yes, the student will be subject to the plagiarism policy, which will include the rules of quotations. This will include Harvard reference style also.
What are the deadlines for assignment submissions?
On the 5th of every month. Any assignment will be received after that date will be considered for next month's submission. So try hard to send your assignment before the 5th of every month.
Okay, I think that's it for our questions. Chitra, do you have any other questions?
Oh no, thank you very much, Mr. Gilbert, for spending your valuable time with us.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure.
Thank you.
Welcome.